Max Bernhard Weinstein was a German physicist and philosopher. He is best known as an opponent of Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, and for having written a broad examination of the theological theory of Pandeism. The Russian-born Weinstein translated James Clerk Maxwell's treatise on electricity and magnetism into German in 1883, and taught courses on electrodynamics at the University of Berlin, while teaching at the Institute of Physics in the University of Berlin. Weinstein associated with Max Planck, Emil du Bois-Reymond, Hermann von Helmholtz, Ernst Pringsheim, Sr., Wilhelm Wien, Karl A. Palsau of the Technische Hochschule in Berlin-Charlottenburg, August Kant, Werner von Siemens, theologian Adolf von Siemens, historian Theodor Mommsen, and Germanic philologist Wilhelm Scherer. Criticism of Einstein's theory of relativity. Perhaps most notably, Weinstein was among the first to reject and criticize Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, contending that general relativity had removed gravity from its earlier isolated position and made it into a world power controlling all laws of nature, and warning that physics and mathematics would have to be revised. Quote, "It was Weinstein's writings, and their impact driving public sentiment against Einstein's theories, which led astronomer Wilhelm Förster to convince Einstein to write a more accessible explanation of those ideas." But one commentator contends that Weinstein's summaries of relativistic physics were tedious exercises in algebra. Philosophical writings. In addition to his work in physics, Weinstein wrote several philosophical works: Welt und Lebensanschauungen, Hervorgehungen aus Religion, Philosophie und Naturkenntnis examined the origins and development of a great many philosophical areas, including the broadest and most far-reaching examination of the theological theory of Pandeism written up to that point. A critique reviewing Weinstein's work in this field deemed Pandeism to be an unsightly combination of Greek and Latin. The reviewer further criticizes Weinstein's broad assertions that such historical philosophers as Scotus Erigena, Anselm of Canterbury, Nicholas of Cusa, Giordano Bruno, Mendelssohn, and Lessing all were Pandeists who leaned towards Pandeism. Philosophically, Weinstein was attracted to what he called a psychical, a spiritual monism, which he believed to be comparable to the pantheism of Spinoza, and wherein the essence of all phenomena could be found entirely in the mind. Though he could see no way around the eventual heat-death of the universe, Weinstein suggested that there existed a fundamental psychical energy, of which a maximum entropy world would ultimately consist. Weinstein wrote, "For this premise Weinstein reasoned that the world must have both a beginning and an end, and that a supernatural force must have initiated it, and so could bring about its end as well." Though he rejected theistic formulations regarding such things, Weinstein found the origin of the universe to be so problematic that he wrote, "As far as I can see, only Spinoza's pantheism, among all philosophies, can lead to a satisfactory solution. Works Handbuch der physikalischen Maßbestimmungen, Zweiterbahn, Einheiten und Dimensionen, Messungen Verlangen, Massen, Volumina und Dichtigkeiten, Julius Springer, Berlin 1888. Die philosophischen Grundlagen der Wissenschaften. Volksungen Gefolten und Universität Berlin, BGT Leipzig und Berlin 1906. Welt und Lebensanschauungen Hervorgehungen aus Religion, Philosophie und Naturkenntnis, Johann Ambrosius Barth, Leipzig 1910. Die Physik der bewegten Materie und die Relativitätstheorie, Theory, Barth, Leipzig 1913. Kraft und Spannungen, das Gravitations- und Strahlenfeld, Frieda,